Hi, hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And today I have a little haul that I did from Ipsy recently for their shop. And so I'm just going to show you all the things I got. Kind of excited about them. So let's get to it. Okay, friends, first of all, I just want to thank you for being here. I appreciate your support. I would love it if you'd subscribe, hit the like button, do those things to support my channel. I'm on my way to my goal of 1,000 I'd like to have soon, so I appreciate you helping me out with that. And so let's get to this Ipsy right now. So the first thing I have here was kind of a pricey thing, but this is Tea Time. It's by Row. The company by Row, BYROE, and I have started loving their products. I got a face oil that's like the best from them. This one is a body oil. Because I love the face oil so much, I thought I would try the body oil. The original, I can't remember the original prices, but I know it's upwards of $60. I still paid a lot for it. I paid $30, which is a lot for me when I can get deals, you know, like I do. But anyway, so I'm excited about this, and it looks pretty liquidy. Okay, it's sealed. I'm not going to open it now, but I've been wanting to try body oils like on my arms and my chest or whatever. Just I think it kind of gives you a glow. So anyway, I'm excited about this product. I've heard great things about it. The next thing I have here, they called this the Smooth Operator Duo. And it is that what this is? No, this is different. Let's see. Oh, I guess it is. The Smooth Operator and this came in a little bag. It's 2 products, and I'm not sure. It was $4, so I guess they each were $2. Basically just samples. One again is by Row, which I love, and the other one's by Glow Recipe. So I love these brands, and I don't remember what it is but they say Smooth Operator, so let's see what that's all about. Okay, so this one is the Strawberry Smooth BHA and AHA salicylic, I don't know how you pronounce that, serum. So that's a serum by Glow Recipe. This by Row is a golden carrot overnight mask. So these 2 products, wanted to try them. Again, I love by Row. I love Glow Recipe. So that was kind of a fun little pickup. The next thing I'm going to share is, I'm not going to show that yet. I got, they called this the Dancing Queen set. Came in here, and it's 3 products. One of them is a palette, and the other 2, let's see what they are here. Okay, so a face palette, eyeshadow palette, and this is the Rodile blush drops. So these are the blush drops from Rodile. Wanted to try them. It is a full-size product. These 3 products all together was $18, and we're talking a big eyeshadow palette, face palette from Ofra, and then the Rodile blush drops. So here's these are kind of a golden, this is kind of it's more a golden rose gold, whatever. You can see that right here. Actually looks like it could also be like a highlighter. Anyway, I'm excited about it. It feels good. So this is a full-size, great brand, great product. So I got that. And then let's show you the face palette, and then we'll go to the eyeshadow palette. This is Ofra Face It. I have had this palette before. I love it. I love the colors in it. So this is just, it is just a highlighter, kind of a bronze powder duo. What do they say on about it here? It's just to Face It, and then it's in light. So anyway, there's that. Okay, so love my Ofra products, my face powders. And then this is an iconic eyeshadow palette from Iconic London. And this is Dare to Dance eyeshadow palette. Okay, this says Desk to Dance, not Dare to Dance. Dare to Dance sounds better to me. I don't get it, but anyway, that's what it says, DESK, so whatever. So here we go, and let's open it up and see what we got here. Okay, looks like it's just a, it does have some neutrals, some purples, burgundies. Really pretty. It has some shimmers. So anyway, there's that. So there's my 3 items for $18. And then the last thing I got on here, actually, I got a spring mystery bag duo, and they only sent me half of it. So it was supposed to be the green check bag with 5 full-size items, which I got. It's pink inside, but there was supposed to be a pink check bag with the 5 sample size, and I didn't get the pink bag with the 5 sample size. So I contacted Ipsy. I have always had the best luck with Ipsy. They have always been really prompt and fixed my problems. They went ahead and refunded me for the whole thing. So basically this was free because they didn't send the other one, and they said they couldn't get the other one to me. So anyway, so basically this was free. Thank you, Ipsy. Thank you for making a mistake, because I probably wouldn't have liked the other mystery bag anyway. But this one isn't too bad. The first thing I'm going to show you that I got is from, so this is from Mitchell and Peach. It's English Growers. It's a body souffle. So it's probably sealed. You can kind of smell it through here. Smells good. So anyway, that's a full-size product, and I'm happy about that. So that'll go in my little green bag here. The next thing I'm going to pull out from them is, this is from Huda Beauty, and this is a lip contour 2.0. So, looks like we've got a lip pencil. I'm happy. I always like lip pencils, and I like Huda Beauty, so I'm not complaining too much about that. Here we go. Looks kind of like a brown color. Let's see what we have here. Okay, not totally my lip color, but I actually have a couple of lip colors that I use that will go nice with that. So that's the second thing, full size from Huda Beauty. I love it. The next thing I got in here is from, it's a clear brow gel from, yeah. So it's Wing Me, and it's a brow gel. So let's see what we got here. You see why I was having trouble. I don't know if you can see that Wing Me, but anyway, so this is just probably a clear brow gel. Yeah, never had anything quite like this, but looks nice. Anyway, a nice full-size product to have in this bag. So that's our third item. And the fourth item I have here is, I don't have it open. It's from Ariza Beauty, and this is a sun-kissed boxed opaline, baked opaline highlighter. So it's a highlighter. I'm not going to open the box. It's got plastic on it, but this might be go in a giveaway, so I'd rather keep it packaged nicely. So anyway, but I'm sure it's pretty. It sounds pretty. It's baked. Baked always stays better on your face, so that's a good product. And then the last product I got in this bag was an eyeshadow palette. This is Berries and Cream Dreams. And I actually have this eyeshadow palette. I love it. It's, of course, is berries and cream. You know, it looks like berries and cream. So, and it is by Violet Voss. So here we go. Ooh, this one, I remember this now. I have this. I've used it. This is so pretty. This is like totally my color. This is my color range. I need to get that palette out. That's a fun palette. So there's that. Because I already have it, this might also go in a giveaway. So I need to start, I need to do a giveaway soon. So I was kind of hoping I'd get to 1,000 followers, but I think I might have to do a giveaway before that. But anyway, so I got the Berries and Dream. This is the brow gel, which I like. I use the highlighter, the lip pencil. So we kind of got something for each area of the face, and then the body souffle. So I got, actually, this is a really good bag. So especially free, right? But it was supposed to come with another bag with 5 items, and the 2 together were like $40. But they refunded me on that, and I'm able to just show this. Was a little bit bummed, I'll be honest. I did kind of want the other bag. It was a cute little pink check like this. But anyway, that's the last thing I have from this Ipsy. But because I spent, I can't remember, I think you had to spend at least $60 or something, and they gave you a free product. This is from Sonage, not sure how that's pronounced. Vitality Nourishing Facial Oil. And let's see what it looks like. I use the Biro facial oil. I love it. In fact, I have a backup of it. I love it that much. But this looks like a nice facial. This looks like a really nice product. So there's that. It's a nice little glass bottle. So I'm sure I'll get to be able to use that sometime. It has the, ooh, I like it. It has the pump. Okay, this is a cool product. I really like the pump. So you just pump the oil into here. Okay. Oh, okay. I'm loving it. Now, a lot of people don't like fragrances. I do, but this is like kind of a clean, chemically almost smell, which I like. I like my skincare to smell like it's got something in it that's going to do something for me. So anyway, I like that. So this was free, and this was like a $60 value, I think, or more. I don't know. Anyway, product. So I don't have, in these kind of things, they don't show me the value of these items. But anyway, I know I got good value. I got some great things I'm excited about using, some things that I'm excited about giving away. So anyway, I hope you liked this little Ipsy haul. Still think my favorite thing is going to be this Biro body oil. Thought this bag was great. I thought the 3 items for $18, the big eyeshadow palette and the others. This might be stuff I end up putting in giveaways because it's good stuff. And I have so much stuff. So anyway, some of it I probably we'll be seeing in a future giveaways. So anyway, thanks for being here. Let me know what you think in the comments. And I appreciate your support. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends? Bye-bye.